When I first stepped into the Home Business Academy, I thought I understood the game. I had the drive, the tools, and the vision, but I didn't have the framework that would keep me from burning time on the wrong moves. That's the part no one tells you. Momentum without direction can just feel like progress, but it's really just motion. And in 2025, with the noise louder than ever, clarity isn't optional. It's the foundation. Today, I'm walking you through the exact protocol I wish I had in place from day one. This isn't theory, it's the system I use now, rebuilt from the ground up to keep every action aligned with the outcome I'm building forward. Home Business Academy for Beginners, what I wish I knew in 2025. And here's the truth. Most beginners don't fail because they lack effort. They fail because their effort is scattered. My protocol fixes that by locking every task into a sequence that compounds over time. Step 1. Define your non-negotiables. These are the daily actions that move the needle. Content creation, lead follow-up, skill sharpening. Step 2. Anchor these actions to a clear persona and message so your audience knows exactly who they're connecting with. Step 3. Review and refine weekly, not monthly. Course correct before drift becomes derailment. This is how I operate now. Every move intentional. Every asset built to last. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order, consistently enough for the results to stack. If you're starting out with the Home Business Academy, don't wait to learn this the hard way. Build your framework now and you'll save yourself months of frustration. I'm JJ Saleh. If you're ready to take the next video where I break down the exact daily sequence I run, title's right there, Home Business Academy for Beginners, what I wish I knew in 2025. Let's get to work. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Saleh man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Description in the bottom. Peace.